this rock out. Yo! What? Oh my goodness. So where's the back? This is 100% certain an igneous rock. Look at that. That's like hardened lava. This might be from the recent 2011 eruption 7 years ago, or it might be an eruption 1,000 years ago. Who knows? That is really cool though. Look at that. It's like a bubble and everything. Welcome back, guys, to part 3 of our jungle hike. So now today we're going to a waterfall. We just got back from the super hot volcanoes. So now we got to cool down and go swimming in this waterfall. So let's do this. I can just see the river all the way down there. We're on our way. It's like another 15-minute hike just to get to the waterfall. Woo! Oh, check that out. That's like a mini waterfall in itself right there. Neat. This looks a bit dangerous here, guys. I can see a waterfall, though. Warning, flash floods, no swimming allowed. I think he said we're going swimming, though. Looks like a big guillotine, kind of. Okay, hanging bridge. You know, it's not exactly safe when you can only have 2 people on it at a time. And apparently we're not allowed to touch this wire or we will be electrocuted. Step over the electric wire now. Check it out like this, guys. Here's the waterfall. It's going really fast. Max 2 people. Don't touch the electric wires. That's dangerous. They should move that. There's the hanging bridge. Alright, let's go across this hanging bridge here, guys. This looks so awesome. Woo! Here's the hanging bridge here, guys. Pretty awesome. And dangerous. Woo! Yeah, now it really does feel like an Indian Jones. Oh, Blue Morpho. Okay, Indiana Jones action film. Look how much it's shaking. Whoa, the water's blue. It's like a blue hole here, guys. Woo! Da 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 da. Look at how clear that is. Wow. This is pretty amazing. Look at this. That's so awesome. And we are off the bridge. But it's still slippery. Woo! Look at how it carved out the rocks like this. That waterfall is loud. Oh, wow. Look at that. There's a mutt-mutt parrot bird up there. The blue parrot. Pretty cool. National bird of Nicaragua. This is pretty cool. Wow. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Wow, this is so cool. Let's go swimming. Is it cold? Okay. Here we go. Oh boy. Ah, it's so freezing. Yeah. Oh, it's so cold, guys. Holy cow. It's awesome. No, but it's freezing. Oh, wow, look at this, guys. There's the waterfall. Woo! Hey, crazy. Check this out, guys. Really neat. There's the hanging bridge. And there's the beautiful waterfall. Woo! Gotta make sure I don't get my phone wet. Look at this. We're pretty much under a cave now. The water has escaped out the rock. Look how blue the water is. Woo! Yeah! Pretty cool, guys. Well, I guess our family's the only one getting in. No one else wants in. Brennan, you're coming down. Brennan might come in. Look at these rocks, it's like elephants. Dylan, look how deep you are. I'm going with Dylan now. This has been pretty awesome though. Woo! Woo! Ah, that's the cold spot. It always gets me right on the manberries. That's where I always get the coldest. I'm decent now. It's pretty cool, guys. Alright, well this is as deep as I'm gonna go, guys, because I don't want to ruin my phone. I would lose all this footage. That'd be bad. Lots of pressure. Alright, come up here on this rock. Yeah! I'm the king of the world! Woo! Man, the earth is beautiful. Thank the Lord. Woo! Ah, the rocks are sharp. What's this thing all about? You can climb up the rock, I guess. Woo! That was awesome. Totally epic. We're getting out here so my phone doesn't get wet. That was so cool, guys. Well, guys, I guess that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, subscribe and like the videos. This is the final video, I guess, unless we see another animal on the way back up. But, yeah, I'm gonna go back down in there to go underwater, but I don't want to bring the phone with me just in case it gets wet. You know how it is. So, bye now. Woo! Ooh, butterfly, where? Oh, I see it. What's that? There's like a big snake or something. What is that? Do you see it? What is it? A long snake here. I don't know. There it is. Oh my gosh, that actually scared me. Oh, don't drop it. Where'd you put it? Wow, this is so cool. Woo! I saw a bird today! Woo! Perfect. Yeah, we made it. Bye now, guys.